This short video will show you how to make a service request. After receiving the email that contains your login credentials and the website address for you to log in, you will be ready to make a service request. If you haven't received that email, or if you forgot your PIN, please contact your property manager. To start, log into the tenant portal using your email and PIN. Once logged in, on the home page, click on Create Maintenance Request. On the new maintenance request form, fill in the appropriate fields. Make sure to fill in all of the required fields. Click the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Your property manager will receive a notification of your request. The new request now appears on the Maintenance Request Summary page. To upload supporting documents or pictures, click the gray Edit box. In the Details page, click on the Documents tab. Click Upload Files, then drag and drop files to upload. To view the status of the maintenance request or all requests, go back to the Maintenance tab. Click on the Maintenance Requests tab to see the status of your maintenance request. Thank you for using this maintenance request system. We hope this tool will help your property manager serve you better.